4 NPP MLAs to continue support to Biren government, says Conrad Sangma. Manipur's COVID-19 tally goes up to 970. And 5 persons hurt as Bolero car plunges into gorge on National Highway 37. A very good afternoon of Manipur. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI, giving you the latest news updates. The 4 National People Party NPP MLAs who flew to Delhi along with Northeast Democratic Alliance NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sarma and NPP National President Conrad Sangma on June 23 returned to the state today. The 4 MLAs along with Conrad Sangma and Himanta Biswa Sarma arrived at Beauty Kendrajit International Airport, Imphal at 12:30 p.m. in a charter flight, a report said. The 4 NPP MLAs are Y. Joy Kumar, Letpao Haukip, L. Jayanta Kumar and N. Kaisi. On Sunday, Sarma along with NPP National President and Meghalaya Chief Minister Sangma had visited Manipur capital Imphal on a charter flight to hold discussions and resolve the differences among the coalition partners in Biren government. The BJP-led coalition government in Manipur plunged to a crisis last week following 3 BJP MLAs resigned and 6 other lost, 4 from National People's Party NPP, a Trinamool Congress TMC and an independent legislator also withdrew support to it. The move reduced the government to a minorities, leaving BJP strength in the assembly with only 18. However, it still enjoys the support of 4 NPF MLAs and an LJP legislator, taking the coalition's tally to 23. The central leadership has been trying to impress upon the 4 NPP MLAs to withdraw their stand and patch up with the Biren-led coalition government in the state. Talking to media persons at the airport, NPP President Conrad Sangma said his party's issues were discussed with BJP National President JP Nadda and Home Minister Amit Shah during a meeting in New Delhi, and that the 2 leaders assured to look into the issues facing NPP personally and solve them soon. Sangma also said the NPP MLAs in Manipur will continue their support to Biren government.
We had a meeting yesterday with the BJP President, Mr. JP Nadda, and with the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah. And we expressed all our grievances and all the concerns that we are having out here at a political party in this alliance. Both the leaders had given us a very patient hearing, and in fact all the points and all the concerns and all the issues which were there, we expressed them all in detail to both the leaders, and both of them have understood what the problem is, and both the leaders have assured us that all the issues that we had all will be addressed and will be taken care of. That is why given by Mr. Amit Shah and by Mr. JP Nadda, and that they will be personally looking into all these issues. We have decided that we will be withdrawing our resignation and the NPP will continue to support the BJP government.
In Manipur, 49 more persons were confirmed positive of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The samples were confirmed at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories VRDLs of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIAMEI and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS Imphal. This takes the total tally to 970 in the state. An official report confirmed that the fresh cases are from Churachandpur, Imphal West, Imphal East, Jiribam, Kakching, Kamzong, Kampokpi, None, Senapati, Tamenglong, Thoubal and Ukhrul districts. With this development, the number of active cases now stands 642, while 328 individuals have recovered from the disease till now. 12 Army personnel have tested positive for COVID-19 in Nagaland's Kohima district, officials said today. According to reports, Health and Family Welfare Department said 12 Army personnel of Jakama Army Camp Quarantine Center tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday. A group of army personnel had returned to Jakhama garrison from different parts of the country last week and were put under strict quarantine as per the military SOP rules within the camp jurisdiction, officials said. With 12 new COVID-19 positive cases, the total infections in Jakhama army camp rose to 15, they said. Earlier, a COVID-19 case was detected in the camp on June 19 and 2 cases on June 23. All the 15 army personnel have been admitted to the Jakhama Army Hospital and all are asymptomatic, sources said. The State Health Department and the Army have started contact tracing of persons who came in contact with the positive patients from their place of origin and back to camp. All the 15 positive cases of Army personnel are included in Nagaland's COVID tally of 347 cases, the officials added. A spike of 16,922 new cases of novel coronavirus pushed India's COVID tally to 4.73 lakh this morning. As per reports, the death toll due to coronavirus in India climbed to 14,894 after at least 418 deaths were recorded in the last 24 hours, ending this morning. According to the Union Health Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the COVID-19 tally in India rose to 4,73,105. Tally includes 1,86,514 active cases, while 2,71,697 have recovered or discharged from hospitals. Delhi has meanwhile surpassed Mumbai as the worst hit city in the country. Of the 4 metropolitan cities, Delhi now has the highest number of cases. Delhi's coronavirus tally rose to over 70,390, surpassing Mumbai today. India is the 4th worst hit nation by the pandemic after the US, Brazil and Russia. 5 persons were injured, one of them seriously when a Bolero car plunged into a gorge along Imphal-Jiribam Road or National Highway 37 this morning around 10:30. The mishap occurred at a place located between Nungba and Rengpang of None district. The ill-fated vehicle belongs to the father of Don Bosco School, Nungba. The injured were taken to Nungba Community Health Center for medical treatment, said a report. Among the 5, a girl is said to be in critical condition and has been referred to a hospital in Imphal for better medical treatment. Meanwhile, a JCB used in clearing debris at a landslide site in None district, Sinam village along National Highway 37 met with an accident last afternoon, injuring the driver. The accident occurred when a rolling stone from top of the hill fell over the JCB, in which the driver was injured in the head. He was taken to a hospital, a report said. Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Ichabu mahitam hanba haibasi mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudoni. Slopland Public School, biggest and the finest residential school, Manipur gi oina lamjaningai oiraba, mahei tampam ama oiriba, khwaidigi chunaraba mafamda semgatlaba, CBSE the affiliate toba higher secondary school oiri. Icha singbu admission tawidana mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudol oibiu, ichagi phazabalam chat sajati ahombadu ubiu, Slopland Public School Khongjom.
Higher secondary exam the second position yauna position holder kaya putokraba Brilliance School Malom Tulihal Makhana Housing Oiriba lockdown gi yengzaraga class 11 science amasung arts ki online amasung offline registration tauba si Sunday yauna matam khara sangdokchare hana lakpada khudong chaba pijagani akupa marol gidamak ekhogi website www.brillianceschool.org natraga ekhogi contact number 9612171646 ta contact tobiyo.
Welcome back. The flood situation in North Assam's Dhemazi district continues to be grim as overflowing water of the rivers submerged new rural areas in Dhemaji, Sisi Borgaon and Jonai revenue circles yesterday. As per reports, the rivers and streams of the district are swelling due to overnight heavy downpour in upper reaches of Arunachal Pradesh hillsides and created flood havoc in the riverine villages of the district. According to report, over 60,000 populations of 151 villages are reeling under flood in the district. The flash flood affected 47,000 populations of 101 villages in Jonai Circle, which is worst affected till last evening. Water Resource Department sources said the water level of the rivers is on rise and it might increase the number of affected people till today. Troops of 43 Assam Rifles at More arrested a drug peddler along with 1 lakh pieces of WY tablet weighing around 9,746 grams near Hizangveng under More police station last morning. According to our More correspondent, the arrested has been identified as Minthang Mate, age of 33 years, of Langnom Veng, ward number 9. He was taken into the custody of More police station along with the seized items. Up-Adaksha of Top Nauria Zila Parisat KSH Tamadevi and ward member Lakpi provided towels, sanitizers, face masks, phenyl, drinking water, hand gloves and a sum of Rs 3,000 to a quarantine center at Porompat Sabalekai High School in Imphal East. The assistance was given under the supervision of MLA and Indrazit. A steam distillation unit was inaugurated as MSME Technology Center Imphal Food Park located at Nilakuthi of Imphal East yesterday. The distillation unit for aromatic crops including lemongrass and citronella essential oil has been installed by Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited with technical assistance from MSME Technology Center Imphal. Managing Director MFICL and Deputy Secretary Government of Manipur Peter Salam, MSME Technology Center Imphal Project Coordinator Dr. Sinam Yoiren Tomba and AO MFICL A. Loken attended the function. The Tripura government yesterday announced cash incentives for all category medical staff engaged in COVID-19 linked healthcare duties. Doctors, nurses, paramedics and other health workers will be beneficial by the special scheme announced by the Health Department. According to media reports, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dept, also the Health Minister, announced the decision of the state government to reward frontline warriors of the medical service. The Health Department notification informed that the doctors engaged in COVID-19 care duty would be given a cash incentives of 10,000 per week. The nursing staff would get 5,000, while rest of health employees and workers would get 2,000 per week as long as they discharge COVID-19 related responsibilities. The state government earlier recruited 25 doctors and 25 nurses for engaging them in COVID-19 care centers. Tripura has 1,264 COVID-19 positive cases counted till Tuesday. As Army Chief General Manoj Naravan met troops on the ground in eastern Ladakh yesterday and presented commendation cards to those involved in the recent standoff with China, fresh satellite images of June 22 show that the Chinese observation post destroyed on June 15 during the violent clash in Galwan area is back. According to media reports, General Naravan's visit to forward areas in Ladakh came a day after the Corps commander-level talk between India and China, at which the two sides arrived at a mutual consensus to disengage from several standoff points along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. On June 22, at the Corps commander-level talks, the two sides agreed on the modalities for disengagement from all friction areas in eastern Ladakh. However, there is still no clarity on the timeline of the planned phase. Several local commander-level talks are scheduled to take forward the disengagement on the ground at various locations. Again, we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Competitive Success Academy ki Class 11 amadi 12 Science ki admission hauzari. Pizaribu khudong chabasing adudi June tha faubada admission taubirakpa Class 11 Science ki Ahanba Mahiroi Yankai gi admission fee Chada Yankai Tajagani. Bosem na lauba exam da Chada Marifu Amadi, CBSE na lauba exam da Chada Marifu Taragi Mathakta Fangba Mahiroi Singioina, admission Amadi tuition fee Laujaroi, Amasung, scholarship Pijagani. Chada Humpudagi, Humputara Manga Fawa Fangba Mahiroi Singi admission Tangkai Tamak Laujagani, Amadi, Lyric Lem na Fanganjagani. Class 12 ta Ming Chanabagi Damak Atopa Bortage, Class 11 pass Tauraba Matung, eligibility certificate Pairaba Mahiroi Singda, Ming Chanbagi Kudong Chava Pijari. Akupamarol Gidama contact Obiro, Competitive Success Academy, Uripo Koisnam Laikai Imphal, contact number 6909199961 Natraga 89747 36391 Natraga 9436288300 natraga 700-589-2311.
Welcome back. Diesel price in the national capital crossed the rupees 80 per litre mark for the first time ever today as oil companies raised the prices for the 19th day, taking the cumulative rate to 10.63 a litre. Petrol price after a day's hiatus was hiked by 16 paise and the increase in less than 3 weeks now total rupees 8.66 per litre as per media reports. Petrol price in Delhi was hiked to rupees 79.92 per litre from rupees 79.76, while diesel rates were increased to rupees 80.02 a litre from rupees 79.88 according to a price notification of state oil marketing companies. Diesel had for the first time become costlier than petrol in Delhi yesterday and has now crossed the rupees 80 per litre mark. 5 militant associates linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba (LET) have been arrested in Budgam district of Jammu and Kashmir today, according to media reports. The 5 were arrested from Narbal area of the district. Incriminating documents, arms and ammunition have been seized from them. A case has been registered and an investigation is on. With 9.4 million infections, the World Health Organization said the pandemic in many countries has not yet peaked and that it was still intense, especially in America. According to reports, WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom has said he expects the number of coronavirus cases around the world to reach 10 million next week. There are signs that the situation is worsening in the United States, wiping out 2 months of progress in controlling the infection. The United States recorded a one-day total of 34,700 new confirmed COVID-19 cases, the highest level since late April, when the number peaked at 36,400 according to Johns Hopkins University. The global fight against COVID-19 pandemic is intensifying, with medical experts and drug makers from across the world ramping up effort to arrive at the potential coronavirus vaccine and treatment. With nearly 10 million COVID-19 patients across the globe and over 4.8 coronavirus fatalities, the virus has almost the entire planet under its grip, and the need for a COVID-19 antidote becomes more urgent by the day. American biopharmaceutical company Gilead Sciences has said it will soon start clinical trials for an inhaled formulation of its antiviral drug remdesivir used for the treatment of COVID-19, a media report said. Remdesivir has made great strides in its role in the formulation of a vaccine against the contagion. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The People's Chronicle. BJP-led government to remain. Chief Minister's fate uncertain, say BJP leaders. CBI grills ex-Chief Minister Ibobi and rupees 332 crores came cash. Ruckus at Churachandpur Quarantine Center over sifting of positive inmate. NSUC blames DA for COVID spurt in Chandel. NPP to continue support to BJP. Imphal Free Press. Imphal Free Press exclusive. Legal notice stirs up controversy over appointment of National Sports University VC. And Biren Singh-led government will complete its full term, says Ram Madhav. The Shanghai Express. Himanta signals Manipur crisis averted. CBI quizzes Ibobi for 3 hours. Ibobi assures full cooperation.
Before we wind up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. For NPP MLAs to continue support to Biren government, says Conrad Sangma. Manipur COVID-19 tally goes up to 970. And 5 persons hurt alert as Bolero car plunges into gorge on National Highway 37. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Good day ahead.